Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming power and safety. First, verify your power supply includes a native 16-pin 12 VHPWR cable or the correct adapter. This prevents overloading. Next, power the system off, unplug the mains, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once done, remove the case side panel and clear a direct path from PSU to the top PCIe slot. Make sure cables won't pinch against fans or sharp edges, so you can now connect the 16-pin to the GPU precisely. Inspect the connector's keyed shape and latch so you know which way it seats. You're aligning pins to prevent bent contacts. Hold the plug close to the socket and push straight in until you hear or feel a click. Do not rock or force it at an angle because that can damage pins. Once seated, route the cable cleanly behind the tray and fasten it. Tidy routing reduces strain and improves airflow, which matters for long-term reliability. Finish by powering the PC and confirming successful boot. Reconnect mains, turn the system on, and check for post, GPU fan spin, and display output. No image often means a seating or power issue. Once visible, install or update GPU drivers and run a brief stress test to verify stable power delivery and temperatures. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: power down and reseat the 16-pin. If that fails, try a different certified cable or PSU to isolate the fault before assuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.